Is the afternoon sun turning your house into an absolute oven? Here is a genius DIY shade sail setup that is literally lowering my AC bills. This is a heavy duty beige triangle shade sail. I anchored the two main corners directly into the west wall on the second floor. Why the west wall? Because that's where the brutal afternoon sun hits. By shading this area, the room directly below it stays significantly cooler, so the AC doesn't have to work nearly as hard. For the third corner, I angled it upward and attached it to the third floor steel railing. The secret to keeping it tight so it doesn't flap in the wind, use a steel chain and heavy duty S hooks. This lets you easily adjust the tension or take it down quickly if a massive storm rolls in. It blocks 85% of UV rays and is made of breathable HDPE fabric. It stops the heat but lets the breeze flow right through so hot air doesn't get trapped underneath. If you want to cool down your patio or lower your cooling costs, you need one of these. Hit that like button and subscribe for more home DIY hacks.